New today, cancer outcomes in the United States have crossed a historic threshold. The American Cancer Society's new annual report shows more people are surviving the disease than ever before. WRAL health reporter Grace Haba looks at what's driving the improvements.
For the first time ever, cancer survival nationwide has hit 70%. That means 7 in 10 patients diagnosed today are expected to live for at least 5 more years. And that's up from just about 49% 50 years ago.
Decades of research, improved treatments, and earlier detection have helped grow the number of cancer survivors in the U.S. to an estimated 18 million. Doctors say that growth is now shifting attention to how survivors are supported long after treatments end.
Cancer diagnosis is a leading risk factor for personal bankruptcy. We know between 30 and 40%, that's number comes from our colleagues at ACS can use up their entire life savings during the course of their cancer journey.
Cancer still remains the leading cause of death for Americans under 85. 2.1 million new cases are expected this year, and over 624,000 people are expected to die from cancer. American Indian and Alaska Native populations face the highest cancer mortality, with Black populations more likely to die from certain cancers despite being diagnosed at similar rates.
We see folks diagnosed at a much later stage, and oftentimes we're concerned that the therapies that are received elsewhere, some of these life-saving therapies are not always available.
Lung cancer continues to be the #1 cause of cancer deaths, followed by colorectal and pancreatic cancers. Tobacco use remains the #1 risk factor. Grace Haba, WRAL News.
You know, only about 18% of Americans who should be screened for lung cancer actually are. The American Cancer Society says the true number is even lower. The WRAL Doc Unit explored the alarming trend of cancer striking younger adults in North Carolina and beyond. Watch Diagnosis Young, the new face of cancer in North Carolina on WRAL.com or the WRAL documentary YouTube page.